is Christine with iKNITS, and I have made many video tutorials and I've used lots of different kinds of yarn, and this is one of my go-tos, like my favorite. Let me tell you why. It looks like high-end, super expensive yarn. If you can see, it's not just one solid color. It has a beautiful blend of blues in there. There's some white too, a little fleck, and it just looks like it's hand-dyed yarn, which is very expensive, and it's super soft. It's not shiny, which makes it look cheapy, and this is what I made, and I love it. It gives it the dimension to just set it apart from other yarns that are like the same price. It's worsted weight yarn, so it's not too thin, not too thick, so your projects aren't taking too long. And I've made beanies with it, dresses, blankets. It's just all around, it's good for any project, and you can't beat the price. So they've got all the colors too, and tweed, so go and get it. Seriously, my favorite.